Probability distribution function in Python. I know how to create an histogram in Python, but I would like that it is the probability density distribution. Let's start with my example. I have an array D with a size of 500,000 elements. With the following code, I am building a simple histogram telling me how many elements of my array D are between every bin. The problem is that this plot is not what I want. I would like to have the probability distribution function of my array D. Instead of having the number of elements of my array which are within every bin, I would like to have the probability of them being in that bin. I tried with normed equals true, but that seems not working since I have bins which are equally log-spaced.
It's not clear what your hist function is. If you're using numpy's histogram, try setting density equals true. See this URL.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.